Are you ready? Knuckles. Are you ready to open GE Sonic? Yeah. I don't know why you're kind of excited about it. It's kind of your replacement. But anyways, it's already halfway open. Yeah, let me just do this. Boom. GE Sonic is in. Oh! It's actually him! Look at this! Look at this! Look at this! Look how cool this is! Yeah! Yeah! Look how cool this is! Look how cool this is! Oh my gosh! Look how cool this plushie is! I've never seen one of these in person. I've only watched Sonic and Friends and seen one of these in his plush collection because he uses the Sonic X one, not the regular one. Oh my gosh, this is such a cool plush. I am glad it's now finally part of my collection after waiting like 5 years to wanting it. Like I've wanted it for like 5 years. And finally, now I have it in my hand! Yeah, and I hope you liked unboxing with Knuckles. Knuckles unboxing GE Sonic. He's gonna be the main Sonic video soon because tomorrow's Tails is coming, and I'm probably gonna order a Knuckles, so it's not. Yeah. So he's gonna be coming in videos soon. Okay. Bye. Yeet.